Good day everyone. This is the fourth episode in wire bending series. Today we will do double Z spring on the upper four incisors using 0.5 mm stainless steel wire. This is the double Z spring. And these are the parts of double Z spring. We start by making the wire curved so that it will adapt on the palatal surface of the upper incisors. After making the wire curved, we will do the first part, which is large active arm, and then we will determine the width of the active arm, which is equal to the mesodistal width of the four incisors. Then we check it on the cast. Start from the distal contact of the lateral incisor to the distal contact of the lateral incisor on the other side. This is the large active arm, which is well adapted to the palatal surface of the upper four incisors. Now we start with the outer coils. We have two outer coils. They should be up. Now the other side also should be these are the outer coils, and both of them are up. Now we have to make both of these arms parallel to each other. Like this. Now we will take the midpoint between them. The first connecting arm, we will make a bend away from the point about 1 millimeter. The other side also make a bend away from the midpoint about 1 millimeter. Now we have a space between them. This space prevents the overlapping between the two inner coils. Now we will start with the inner coils. The inner coils should be wound down. Other side, same thing. Now we have 4 coils, 2 outer coils up and 2 inner coils down, and all of them should be about 2 millimeters in the internal diameters. At this step we have 1 large active arm and 4 coils with 2 connecting arms. Now we will start with the third and fourth connecting arm. They should be slightly shorter than the first and second connecting arm. Now we will bend down perpendicular to the cast. The other side also down. Now we have 2 planes. The coils and the connecting arm should be in a horizontal planes, and the retentive tags should be down. Now we start with the zigzag. We leave a space about 2 to 3 millimeters, then start with the zigzag. The zigzag should be toward the midline, and it should be parallel with the midline. The other side, same thing. At the end of the zigzag, we make a small L bend about 0.5 millimeters perpendicular to the cast to leave a space for the acrylic base plate. Then we cut the end. This is a small L bend tag about 0.5 millimeters. The last step is to make the spring passive by closing the coils. This is the final shape of the double Z spring. All of the coils closed and the spring is passive, and there should be a space or separation between the two inner coils about 0.5 to 1 millimeter, and the zigzag should be both of them parallel with the midline. And there should be a space between the cast and the spring for the acrylic base plate.